been 6 years since you swept me away, and you still amaze me every single day. Late at night I look at you sleeping next to me. You're so lovely that it takes my breath away. And the best years of my life are the years I've spent with you. I'm so glad you